Hi, and welcome to Love Your Home, our renovation tip of the week, brought to you by Multi-Trade Building Services. I'm Jackie Stezik. I'm the Project Manager and Marketing Director. Every week, we bring you tips about general renovations, kitchens, bathrooms, interior design, and so much more. This week, we're going to talk about fall home maintenance tips. Now, fall is a great time to take care of some essential items around your home before the snow starts to fly and the cold weather sets in. With fall almost here and winter just around the corner, take the time now to boost energy efficiency throughout your home and prevent damage from winter's storms with proper tree care. Today, we're going to share a couple of the items on our checklist to help you get started on your home maintenance. As gutters diligently collect and direct rainwater pouring off the roof, they also end up catching tons of debris. Leaves, sticks, and more will pile up within their channels and effectively create a dam that blocks the water. Moss can also start to grow in that space, creating even more blockages that impede the normal function of the gutters. Once the water can no longer flow freely through the channels and into the downspouts, it starts to flow over the sides. The water can then seep into the small cracks all along the building materials. As the water seeps into the foundation, it can flood the crawl space or basement and even weaken the entire home structure. The water does not just damage the materials, but also allows mold and mildew to grow all along the affected areas. Without immediate attention, the mold and mildew spreads, damaging the building materials even more and compromising air quality within the home. Once most of the leaves have fallen, make sure you clean out the gutters of the leaves and any debris inside. Also, you want to make sure you seal gaps where any of the critters can come in. With the colder weather on its way, small critters like mice will be looking for warmth. Take a walk around the exterior of your home and look for even the smallest of holes. Fill these holes with steel wool and then caulking. Do you want to learn more fall home maintenance ideas? Check out my blog post by going to www.multitradebuildingservices.com. Click on News and then click on Fall Home Maintenance Checklist. Thanks for joining us this week for our Love Your Home renovation tip of the week. Be sure to come back every week where you'll continue to learn great ideas about renovations, repairs, and maintenance around your home. That's it for this week. See you later.